If your ONN TV device keeps buffering, I've got the 100% fix for you. The truth is, whenever we use an Android app, we don't actually close it. We just hit the home button or the back button, which means the app keeps running in the background, eating up memory and slowing down your ONN TV device. So, in this video, I'll show you the one app you need to properly close apps in the background and completely stop those annoying buffering problems. Now, if you've been using an ONN device for a while, you may be used to going through each application and closing them one by one. However, the problem is several apps can stay running in the background, and you have no way of knowing which ones are still open. But for me, it's not a problem because I've got just the app that will fix this in seconds. Alright, so the first step is to install an app called Downloader, which is where you'll install all your favorite apps. Go to the menu at the top and select Apps, and if Downloader appears in the suggestions, great. If not, use the search bar and type Downloader, or use your voice command to find it. From the list of Downloader apps, select the orange one at the top, click Install, and in a few minutes it will be ready. And while it's downloading, take a moment to hit subscribe because it'll barely take a second. Once installed, open the Downloader app, and the first time you launch it, accept all the necessary permissions. Click on the hashtag icon and then type this code, 8533602, which will take you to my ONN TV Hacks downloader page, where all essential Android apps are organized into categories. To find the Background Apps and Process List app, simply select the Utilities category and scroll down until you see the Background Apps and Process List app, and to install it, just click on it and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed on our Downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if they don't, you'll be asked to press the download icon to start. After that, click Install and complete the process, then click Done. After installation, you'll be prompted to delete the APK files. This is the first screen you'll see, so scroll down and select Got It. And the app will now tell you that you have too many apps running in the background, and with only 5 GB of storage on your ONN device, it's no surprise this is causing buffering issues. Now you have 3 options. You can close any one of these apps, close multiple apps, or close all the apps in the background. And to close just one app, select it and press Force Close. But if you want to close all the apps at once, head over to the Close All Apps tab, and now, one by one, you'll need to force close each of these apps, which saves time compared to the usual process since you already know which apps are running and only need to shut those down. And there you go. I've closed all the apps, and now my ONN device will 100% run smoothly without buffering. So make sure to check the app out, test it, and leave a comment if this method works in fixing your buffering issues, and also like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be back with another video very soon, so till then, see you in the next video.